tell us they're going to do everything we promised, and they never, ever deliver. I don't care what party they are, Democrat or Republican. We got plenty of weak, limp-wristed Republicans in office who do nothing. Where are they? Where are they for our statues? Where are they for our flag? Where are they for our police officers? Nowhere. I don't care what letter is next to your name. If you're not defending this country, you don't get my vote. I hope as well they don't get your vote. Thank God. But thank God we do have someone with some balls, some chutzpah in the White House who's going to stand up and protect our people. Protect our history. He's a New Yorker. He's from Queens. He stands for the people. And the other day he passed an executive order that's up to 10 years in prison for anyone caught defacing and destroying American monuments. God bless that. They pillage our cities, they loot our stores, they destroy our communities, they erase our history. Enough is enough. Basta.
Hold the line.
And I wish that this wasn't just purely a grassroots effort. And I'm thankful for it. I'm thankful for all the groups, but I wish we had some more institutional support. I wish we had the electeds here. I wish we had the party here. Where are they? Where are everyone? We're out here schwitzing in the sun, yelling for our country. Where the hell are they? All right, listen. I was talking to these great officers, and they're working hard, and they got to get back to protecting our streets. They can't just be protecting us from the mob over there, even though there's like maybe 5 of them. But listen, we're going to have to wrap it up soon, but I want to thank everyone who showed up today and let your voices be heard. This is the voice of the people, the real people.